Whew. So, Daniel again, clean my exterior in Worcester with another house wash. This time is just this condo, 3 sides only. Very dirty and disgusting. Lots of dust and dirt. Get this clean anyway. The fence. I'm going to be using the 12 volt on this one because it is very nasty in the front. It's a little bit windy and cold, so I don't want to be here all day. No, there's nothing special here, just the worst is the little porch here. That's gonna come clean in no time. I'll show you the front. Whoops. So I forgot to videotape the front, especially around this area here. It was very, very nasty. I got distracted with the wind trying to soap it, but you saw in the image it was very, very bad. I know it's a lot better. Ready? I'm gonna do a final rinse and then I'll be done.